Hi, my name is Danielle Doty and I'm the Integration Specialist here at WebExercises. For user tip number 2, I'm going to show you how to create and utilize your own custom template protocols. Let's get started.
Once you've logged in, you're going to go ahead and navigate over to the RX Protocols tab. This is where all of our pre-made templates are, as well as any custom templates that you've created. When you scroll on down to the bottom, this is where all of ours are listed. You'll notice there's an action key to the right-hand side. This allows you to either view the template to see the exercises that we've associated to it, or you can actually copy it into your own custom template. This allows you to modify, edit, make changes, maybe delete or add some exercises in without ever losing our template. So right now we're going to go ahead and copy this template in, and now we can go ahead and make those edits, modifications, and changes. You can add your name to the existing template name just to kind of differentiate it. You can also jump in, we'll remove some exercises out. You can adjust any of those sets and reps, that way it is stored to your liking. And then just go ahead and apply those changes. And we're going to go ahead and finalize it one more time, hit next, and finish. And now you'll notice that we have added our first template to the custom templates section. If you don't want to use our templates as a base, you can go ahead and create your own custom templates by just selecting the new template option. You'll scroll down to the bottom, and here we can just dive straight into the exercise search. So say right now I wanted to create a favorites template, maybe with some low back and knee exercises. I'm going to go ahead and select low back. I'll go ahead and differentiate an exercise versus a stretch. And then I'm just going to do a general search. I'm going to go ahead and add in these top exercises. And then if I wanted to continue searching for those knee exercises, I'm just going to scroll on down to the bottom. And then we're just going to go ahead and search again. Add in those exercises, and then we're going to go ahead and return to the template. We're going to go ahead and name it. If you wanted to make any changes, you can go ahead and do so. And then we're going to apply all of those changes. From here, we can go ahead and hit next and finish. Now you'll see two templates have been created. To utilize the templates that you've created, you're going to want to head and go over to the Quick RX tab. You'll see here that you can enter in a first and last name again. You can control that duration, you can set it up to 6 weeks. And now you'll see that you have the option to either choose from some web exercise templates or from the templates that you've created. You'll notice that you don't have the exercise search key here, so you can't go and search for exercises individually. The Quick RX feature is made to simply select those templates that you've created, identify those exercises that you'd like to send, and then you can immediately send and print those exercises out for your patients.
That's all for user tip number 2. Check back for user tip number 3 on how to edit and modify an exercise program.